Welcome back, folks. As we showed you in our previous videos, we showed you how to be handy in your environment and also how to open and close a freezer. But now we will be showing you how to microwave a bag of Orville Red Bockers popcorn.
Extra battery, by the way.
So we'll be using this 30-year-old ancient microwave. It's not, the digital one. It's dial right there. And I also got $3. You can use it as an oven too. But we have a better one upstairs. Obviously, this one rarely gets used. We got a new one. So before you start, make sure you get your gloves on because you can get burnt. Popcorn gets hard. Actually, let me open the bag first. Open the bag. So you must open it like that. And this part will be on the microwave sitting like this. So make sure you get your gloves on now. Now I got my gloves on. Put the popcorn in like this. Isn't that right, man?
Yeah.
Now we close it. And this is a rusty microwave, so you gotta put it in for about 2.5 minutes.
Now, I gotta ask you, what do you do in your spare time while that thing's cooking?
Well, maybe sometimes I punch my punching bag, But then when my knuckles start to hurt, I move over here and I watch. I don't want to get the radiation. Maybe I play with this drill.
Look at that go.
Or maybe I see if my vacuum's still working. Or maybe listen to some music. I got your grenade. That's shit music.
How much time is left?
We still have 1.5 minutes. Believe me, this puppy takes a while to cook. And may I have a sip of Coke? And now I just wait.
Smells delicious.
But I do not see the bag popping. Is that okay, cameraman? Oh, there it goes. Slow and steady.
Look at that, it's
Finally popping. Took about a year.
Look at that, it's growing.
You can see the back of it.
There's a start. Let's hope it doesn't die on us.
Oh, maybe it's gonna blow. It's shaking.
That.
A few seconds left. It's getting foggy in there.
Oh, we're losing sight of it. Oh, look at that.
Clear label right there. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, just in case you want to buy this microwave here, the brand of it is Citizen, whatever you want to call it, and the make of it is, once it's done, there goes the bell. Got the bag. That.
Good thing you got your mitts on.
Still popping. Listen. Oh, okay then. That might have been the butter spill. There's a steam. There. Now we're getting ready to...
Good thing you have your gloves on.
Yeah, you're right there, Karen. Now we will be pouring this into here and run this microwave here. Oh, and yeah, you just empty the bag into the bowl.
Now, can you show us that bag?
Bag? So remember, this is a great brand. Orville Redenbacher, and the popcorn is now cooked.
Look at that. That's
You want to try one? Oh, sorry. Dropped a few. That's what you get with these microwaves. It tastes better.
for less.
That is true.
Or
Thank you.